What's going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Hope everyone had a wonderful day today. Looking for an amazing trading day. We already did that. I'll show you everything what's happening, and I'm going to show you all about passive income because I kind of bypassed that yesterday. Something here. Do a reset on my camera here for a second. I'm getting a little lag. Try this here. Usually a reset on my screen makes that happen. We'll head over to the MOJO Day Trade room and see how these guys are doing here in the meantime. Oh, we had a power pack day today. Power packed. Here I am. How's that working? That's working all right. Got a little bit of a lag though. Hope everyone's doing good. Let me make myself, I'm in the dark here. Make myself a little bit pink. Come into the light, Mojo. Here's the main screen. We got two demo traders live right now, up a couple dollars. That's very nice to see. Two greens. Gonna be it's just been not great a day trading for these guys. I had a bad morning myself. Started off amazing, gave some back, finished out halfway in between. Let's see what we got going on. Now I fixed my screen now. My camera's got all messed up. And they're still a little messed up. What's going on, GM? What's going on, Sod out there? So we're going to go over today what is passive income? How do I get passive income? Why is passive income important? Go over today's trades. Wearing my wish I was golfing, wearing my Titleist FSU hat. Got my nice little Adidas golf shirt on. Just ready to golf, man. I've been putting like a storm. The putting contest yesterday, I hit 52 putts in a row. So I'll have to go through yesterday's chat and see who was the closest or anybody got 52 putts in a row. Oh, that was yesterday. Nice. So let's discuss a little bit about the trading today. And yeah, it looks bullish crazy. A little bit about what passive income is. Wanted to definitely show you all about that. So you have right here, you got this little pie. And then you split the pie in half. Let me show you how you make money. What is passive income? Passive income is the money that you make. And your side job. And the other things that you do. Anything that brings in dollars. That's passive income. Some people, heard of it before, but you just don't know what the name of it, don't know what it means. Look at a standard definition. Passive income definition. Passive income is earnings derived from a rental property, limited partnership, or enterprise in which a person is not actively involved. As with active income, passive income is usually taxable. However, it's often treated by different IRS. Got the active and the passive. Ooh, there's a video on it.
Your maximum refund for just $25? Now that's what we call a win. No.
Is earned by someone from ventures in which they did not actively participate. Two comparables are limited partnership income and rental property income. is someone whose role in a business is limited to their capital investment. Suppose Jane invests money in a friend's bowling alley to help hire staff.
Suppose.
Jane does bowling alley, but receives a profit share. Limited partnership passive income. Suppose Jane also buys a house in the university town across the state. She hires a property management company to deal with the tenants and make rent every month, even though she doesn't personally oversee the house's management.
Jane's an idiot. Jane's rental property right now, nobody wants to rent it, but she's got a mortgage payment due, so her passive income ain't too passive. Let me show you the MOJO. I call it the and the other one she had with the limited partnership, the partners all embezzled the money and the company's defunct. I think passive income. Passive income you make while you're sleeping. So I'm sleeping. So right here, you want to split it up. You can have your current job. That's your active income. You stay over here. 50% of what you do should be your current money. Whatever you're currently making money doing in the world, do it. Do it. How many hours a day could it take you to do that? The sooner the better, dude. The longer the worse. So right here you have day trading. There. That's a nice piece of my pie. See, this is me. I'm a day trader. So this whole part is me also. But this is what you guys should do. 25% of what you should do, put into that day trading. I'm going to save a little bit of sliver right here for my crypto. You should get a little BTC, Bitcoin. Start accumulating some Bitcoin with 10%. And 15% here, you guessed it, is the swing portfolio. Swing trade. Grab a pen, write that down, boys. For everyone out there not in the MOJO Day Trade room. If anyone in the MOJO Day Trade room, it's 75%. So you get this whole category and this one, and we're swing trading. That's our pie. We're day trading and swing trading. That's our income streams. Okay? So you have day trading. Let's see. You are, how old are you? 18 years old? Man, when I was 18 years old, I wanted to get my own apartment. Any kind of car would do. Just having a couple dollars in my pocket would be nice, right? How much is that? What is it? What is that? $200 a day? That's $4,000 a month. Right there, just off $200. You can slip and make a mistake in my chat room and do that every day. So 4 times, that's $48,000 a year. Are you making right now $48,000 a year? This could be your first month. Your second month, if you made $200 a day, there's no problem making $300 a day. That right there is $6,000 a month, $72,000 a year. Have you ever gotten a raise in your work from one month to the other just by making a simple nothing and increase that much money for yourself? I promise in the 3rd month, you are successful with me. And here the average trader's with me for 4 years. So we'll go down 4 years. I'm only in month 3. $500 a month. A day is $10,000 a month. It's $120,000 a year. So in a 3-month booth, you could start with a job at $50,000 and increase that income right there to 120 in 3 months. If I made $500 every day in a month, I could do the same thing and make 1,000. Dude, I made 52 putts in a row last night on my putting thing. In the beginning, I missed a bunch, but then I made 3. Then I made 3, I make 5, then I made 5. Then I took a break. I came back, I made another 5, and another 5, and another 5, and another 8, another 5, another 5, just like that. Kept on growing it exponentially. So at $1,000, that's $20,000 a month. That's $240,000 a year. I'm comfortable right there, and I'm married with children, and I'm 50 years old plus. Yeah, I'm 50. So anywhere in here, you're good from when you're 18 to even 50 in this whole range. 18 to 50 years old, I'll be happy making anywhere from 72,000 to 120 while I'm learning, making it easy, working an hour, just an hour a day. That's my outcome goal right here. These are my outcome goals. They're lofty. They're not, I'd love to have them. They're out of my control. If the stock market should shut down, I'm not going to be able to do that. If my system doesn't work, I'm not going to be able to do that. It's out of my control. That's the outcome. I'd love to have that outcome, wouldn't you? That's a nice outcome. How do you do that? With the process. The process goal. The process goal in day trading is my Heinz trade play. And this passive income stream is just incredible. When you do a trade, you should go like buy 500 to 1,000 shares. If you can't buy 500 to 1,000 shares of stock, don't buy it. Don't trade. Get with something that you can buy that. Let me make myself a little bit bigger. Ready? Heinz trade play. I do it. I better make a Benjamin. That's a minimum. And if I don't do that, that's disgraceful. Once I'm up a Benjamin, no one's taking my freaking Benjamin away. If I'm up $100 and someone hands me a Benjamin, okay, I'll hold that Benjamin and see if it goes higher to pay me more Benjamin. But don't take my Benjamin. So I make $100 minimum. I've got 1,000 shares. My average is 13 cents. I should make $130 a Heinz trade on just 1,000 shares, $65 on 500 shares. Average trade is easy, 13 cents. Easy. Okay, now I've got my numbers. That's my process. Okay? Now, when I go and play poker, I'd love to win it in one hand. But you can't do that. You can't win in one hand. It's not that kind of game. When I go play golf, I'd love to have one good shot and one good hole and call it quits. But it ain't like that. And either is trading. So how many am I going to do? I'm going to do 20 trades a day. That's what I like to do. Because I used to do 10. And I used to do 5. And I used to do 2. So I reverse engineered it. I started at 2, and all I did is the same thing and added a 0. Right? Whatever I did here, I doubled it here, I doubled it here, and then I doubled it here. That's what I wanted to do. So I did it 20 times. 20 times 130, do the math, is $2,600. for the day. Just making my smooth Heinz trades. Let's say I'm wrong on 5 of them. 5 times 130 is 680. So let's take off 600. I made $2,000 for the day. That's $40,000 a month and $500,000 a year. That's the process. I have the self-belief that it will work, and I have the patience to see it through. I used to only do 10 of them in the beginning. I wasn't really that great when I was doing 5 of them. And I was kind of shaky when I was doing 2 of them with a little non-belief. But as I did more, my mind's eye, right here, this is my brain, okay? It's called my mind. Your mind's eye grew bigger and bigger and bigger as I did more Heinz trades that worked. I was more confident that they would work. And I have no problem stepping up to the plate to make it work, just like the putter. When I made 20 in a row, and then 30 in a row, and 40 in a row, and 50 in a row. And then I made 51. I said, this is crazy. I'm like crazy now. And I pulled it a little left. My mind's eye was so damn big, dude, because I did it so many times correct. And that's what the trading game is. It's called variance. In the course of tomorrow, when you join my service, to the end of time, when you stop trading, there will be thousands and thousands of trades. Some of them will be amazing. Some of them won't. A lot of them will be status quo. A lot of them will be weird. Who cares? Don't have the big ebbs, don't have the big flows, and just keep it going with the plan and the system, folks. Do a little bit of passive income with the day trading, and then switch it over, get a little bit of swing trading going with that system. And have some overnight picks. You can make 10% a month, 20% a month right here in the swing trades. The day trades, you're looking to make 1% to 5% a day for percentages. Doesn't matter what the size of the account is. The larger the account, the harder it is to make towards 5%. And right here in this half of the pie is what you're currently doing to make money. If you don't do this as a passive income stream, dude, your neighbor is that has more things than you, he's doing it, and he's not even as smart as you. You know who said that? Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett said that. What do you think of that edutainment for today? That was nice, right? What's going on, Bubba? What do you say? What do you know? He did say that, Warren Buffett. Yeah, he did. I had this thing with Warren Buffett. I don't know where. Ooh, that's nice. Nice. Check this out. What's up, Manny? Told you. See? When you're 18 to 25, this is one of the learning boards in MOJO University. You only need $5,000 per month to create the lifestyle. 25 to 35 years old, you're getting married, you have a family, 10,000 per month is quite the lifestyle. 120,000 a year, 240 days at 500 a day. When you're 35 to 65, you need to make 10,000 a month. It's quite the lifestyle these days. 240 days at $1,000 a day. Ages 65 plus, you got a different agenda towards retirement. 10,000 a month is quite the lifestyle when you're in retirement. $1,000 a day. That's what you got going on right there. This is from August of 2018 to right here, $500 to $5,000. So I started right here. Where is this? Day 4. I started right here. So this is right. It says it will. Hold on a second. So this is that TradeX platform. I've been trading on it for a long time. I did a small account challenge in August of 2018 from $500 to $5,000. I started right here with $500. And then I did on the third day, I did $800. Grew it to $1,800. I made $2,000. Day 4, right here, I made 313. Day 5, I made 1,600. So I went from 1,800 to 2,100, 3,200, because there was a total P&L was that. And then that was the August 16th. And then August 17th, I went from 3,200 to 3,400. I made 258 after commissions, 242. And then the next day, I made 400 more. I went from 3,300 to 4,300. See that? And then I withdrew after I got to 5,000 right here, back down, and I started again at 2,000 and made that to get to 2,200. That's how it works. $100 a day is 24,000. 300 a day is 72. 500 a day is 120. 3,000 a day is 720. 5,000 a day is 1.2 million, and 10,000 a day is 2.4 million a year. All attainable by so many people that are already doing it currently in the MOJO Day Trade room right here. Master traders, 25 aboard. To be in the master trader category in the MOJO room, you have to be a trader here for more than 3 years. Alan, number 1, he's been here for 8 years. Nice. Look, my wife made these nice cookies, big guy. Brownies, cookies, all kinds of good stuff. Alpha, 6 years. Batman, 3 years. Bohan, 8 years. Alan was the first student I ever taught in the room. Bohan was the second student. And Carol was the third. Carol's been here for 7 years. Hopper was the fourth. Hopper's been here for 7 years. 7 years for Hopper. Kent is a master pro trader in the room. Kent paid $10,000. Right, Kent? Kent paid me $10,000 4 years ago, 5 years ago, to have limited access for his lifetime to MOJO University. Anytime he has a question, anytime anything, he's banging on it, and he paid me 10 grand, and he just signed in 7 years. See, there's Hopper, 7 years, and he just signed in. Kent did, to MOJO University 20 minutes ago, and he's watching the courses right now. Show you. Right here, he signed in 4 hours ago. Right here. He joined 3 years ago. I'll show you. Let me just take off his email. Right here. So you could see Kent 4 hours ago was in MOJO University. He joined 3 years ago. He was in it 4 hours. He joined 3 years ago. Kent, and he paid $10,000 to be part of MOJO University. That same course he paid $10,000 for. Anyone can get now for free by becoming a member and joining that special up above for 30% off the combo pack. It includes the same course that these guys have taken and paid buco dollars for. Does he care that I'm giving it away for free? Absolutely not. Why not? Because he's made $1 million. That's why. So set your goals, guys, and make it happen for yourself, man. Because it only happens like that in the MOJO service, in the MOJO Day Trade room. So you better be jumping aboard. Hey, Manny, what's going on? Amazon's nonstop. Nice. Sodman joined last week and loving it. You know all about what's passive income, why do I need it, all that good stuff. Want to see what we traded last week in the MOJO room? I mean, today in the MOJO room? My story has to be told 4 years from now. It sure will. Can't wait. Start my screen share because my thing's lagging anyway. Going live in the MOJO room right there. Pop that baby out. Live in the MOJO room now, guys. Got a little thing for you. This means I'm live. Whenever I put this out in the MOJO room, it means I'm live. Screen's on live. Just click that little red button above my head. Right here. Go Trader Mike live. Yeah, your story will be told. Didn't do many trades today. Got stuck this morning in a big trade down. I came in this morning, I made 10 grand. I gave back 8. And I made back 6. Excuse me. I don't got no corona. This was a great trade on EDNT. 269. 271. All right, guys, so we started off this morning at 9 o'clock with the first trade of EDNT, 290. Ordered at 413. You saw it this morning, sold at 430. Did it pre-market. Bloom made 1,300. I made a bunch. UV Gray trading all day. ENDT, this guy lost in the room. He'll never join now. I told him not to trade. It would be a bad move, and he didn't listen, so no one ever does. Tugger got locked out, flat. We lost money on that SGNX trade this morning. EDNT, I repriced. He didn't listen. I sold it at 350. I bought it at 358 to go in one direction only. That's why he should have held off. And as soon as it went 2 cents lower, I dumped it. Dumped it. And then it went to SGNX, piece of shit ass stock. 156 still. Should have stuck with Allen and Codex today. Allen only made $589. Very slow day for him. Let's see if I'm correct on Allen's number that he did today in the Mojo room. Yeah, I got a lot of shares of SGNX. Mike's fired up, dude, Ray, because there's a brand new guy in the room, or someone this morning, like you, it was your first day here. Something all of a sudden was trading against me. Every time I showed my screen or spoke and saw my position, someone came in with a large block against me. It was so weird. So I was kind of fired up this morning, so I just kicked everybody out. Usually doesn't happen. If I played music and got this guy involved, Pro Trader Mouse, see he's idle right now, he could come in anytime with between $1 to $10 million of cash buying into any stock nonstop. He does a market order for 100,000 shares as an entry, and then he commands the bid in increments of 2 or 3 for other half of the position. He waits 10 minutes. If he doesn't get filled, he buys the rest. Super volume goes in anytime needed. And I've got a lot of traders that trade super huge volume like that. So I get fired up when people trade against me, because then I could move it against them and really screw them, as I did when I took my screen share off this morning. And there was a rat in the room, and he smelled real bad. So I took a break after that. Let's see here. EDNT kicked my ass today, but it's part of the game. I won't give up learning. I'll see you back in the big red. This thing went through right here, penny pincher. I put my ass on the line right there. I said it's going to go through 58 right there. That huge ask, 117,000 shares. And it's going to go to 65, and it did. Put my ass on the line for that one. It went 156, 157, 157, 158 penny pincher. They're squeezing it, 108, 108. Nice call on EDN. Here's the penny. They're 97. Here's my lemon squeeze play, which I haven't done in a long time. They did the lemon squeeze right there. There's 87 left. This is a test of Mojo University on how strong my systems are, that I'm calling it before it happens. And Ray's like, gotcha. But no, I got you, Ray. Because watch, 158. And this goes right here. Marina Therapeutics for a Heinz 40. The high is 40. If I asked 100 traders, would you buy right now? The high is 40. It's got a large amount of shares there. Would you buy? 99 out of 100 would say no. And they would be wrong. And they'd be wrong, because it always Heinz. Always Heinz's. Okay? Always. I told you it would go through from 158. It's 161 by 162. Shame he did take Mojo U. I made $8,000 on that trade. 2 times doing that. 2 times. So here's the move on Marina. Through 40, it's 40.65 without stopping. We're in a rail grind chairlift, moving up higher. And then right here, we did a 41. It's at 41.35 now. Started at 39.98, 99. I did a quick 150 Heinz trade on something else right there. And then at lunchtime, we'd like to see, look at all these losing demo traders today. What's going to happen, guys, is at the end of the day, you're all going back to $500. Okay? If you've got too much buying power, you have 60K. You can only put $30,000 into any one position. You can buy 3 positions of 1,000 shares each max. That's the cap, and you can't lose $500. Because if you lose $500 in real life money, You're done for the day. There is no turning it on. There's no losing $2,000. Your whole account is worth $3,000 when you start. So you lost everything in one day. You don't do that. Same thing with you and you and you and you and you. The reason why all these guys are at 900, because they were at 500 yesterday and they all got locked. So I increased them to 1,000 and didn't change it. So they all came back in today and then lost 1,000. This guy at 1,000, I raised to 2 from yesterday. He came in and lost another 2 today. So this guy will never make it in trading. I don't know if he'll ever want a trade review. This guy never would probably want a trade review. He'll be out of the game and done. Not utilize. These guys are the easiest to fix because they made the biggest mistakes. It's the opposite of what you think. So Demo 75 wants a trade review. Let's see what Demo 75 did. All right. Let's see what you did. Damn, I messed up the screen. I put your thing in there. Let me pull it out. There we go. All right, not much action to review, which I like. SGNX, my first trade at the open, you bought a limit of 100 at 92. Forget it. It's 97 plus. Never do 100 shares. It's 1,000 plus or don't do the trade. Next. EDNT, buy 200 at 95. And you had short sell this for some reason on that. That's an error. So you bought at 95, EDNT, and you sold through Hines. No, you bought at 200 at 95 and you sold it at 415. You let it drop 80 cents. So that's a F. That's a terrible, 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 terrible trade. Terrible. And you sold it at 415. And then you sold it at 25 and you sold it at 29 and you bought 100 at wasted trade. And then you sold it for a big loss down there when Mojo was buying at 405. So terrible. And then you went to Codex for the Hines. And at Hines, very nice. You bought and sold. You did a Hines. That's your first winning trade. That's a good one. You finally did one. This one at 1,000 shares at 12 with the one shot. That's how you do it. Remember what you did there. Remember what you did there. Do it again. Then you messed up selling. And that's why. So you did good. Remember what you did on the one good trade. You screwed up on all the others. 54? Thing. 54? Did unbelievable. How can you lose so much? I'm not going to review that. That's so over trading. It's freaking crazy. That's craziest trading I've ever seen. The commissions on that trading were how much? Crazy trading right there. This demo. So let's see. How'd you lose so much money? Let's see what bad trading is. That's a good example, right? Of what not to do. Here's what not to do. All right, first trade. 9:33 in the morning. Bing, 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 bing. The bell rings. 492 for Heinz, I guess. Oh, it's not working. It's going lower. 90, 89, 88. Sell it. Oh my God, I'm down $30, $40. What? You waited to go all the way down to 422 and you lost all your money in the first trade. Terrible. Journal that. It's not fear of missing out, guys. It's fear of losing your account. It's one way only. It's called the one shot. I teach it in MOJO University. Remember, there's a wall here. There's 3 people. Boom, boom, boom. What happens in MOJO University to those 3 people? With him, him, and him, there it is. There it is. Did you just do another trade just now? No one's got nothing. All right. So, EDNT. That's just terrible. Then you did a buy at 24 and you sold it at 30, made $60 back. Then you did a buy at 34 and froze on it again. Crazy. I don't even want to look anymore. No more EDN. I'm not going to look at this anymore. And then you finally did a Heinz at 10.95 and sold it at 11.06. Get a little confidence back. Remember what you did there. Remember how easy that trade was. There you go. I can't believe you traded this. You should lose your whole account because you traded that. You bought 300 shares at 85 and you sold it at 82 on 300 shares and lost $900. I'm done looking. And I'm going to change your thing back to you lost $2,980 today. That could never happen. There's no other day trading room or service in the world that does this for you guys. None. Do you know how much I'm getting paid to do this for the new traders? 0. I'm doing it because I like to help them become successful. It's worth that much to me. I was in that position so long ago, for so long, I couldn't get out. Every time I would climb to the top and see the freaking edge, I'd drop freaking back down and I'd come fucking clawing back up with a new account and I'd see the possibilities in the edge and I'd drop back down and I'd have to go get a job and go work for the man because I couldn't prove it to myself and the freaking world out there that was telling me, you're a gambler, you're a day trader, you have no health insurance, and blah, 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 blah. Yeah, they were right. But, dude, I came back again. And I freaking fell down again. I had no one to help me pull me up, dude. I'm that puller, dude. I'm the freaking puller now. I don't want people to burn 90 accounts and do that shit. That ain't gonna happen, dude. That's why I'm hooking you up, because I've already made my monies, dude. I figured out the system, okay? Then after the 19th time I clawed my way back up, I fell again. And I said, you know what? Damn, I'm good at poker, dude. And I played poker, and I was a professional poker player online. And I was kicking ass. And I developed the system with the poker, dude. In my pajamas, I was ace, baby, bluffing and pulling and ripping. And then I look up, come in my account in the morning, and there's a sign on there that says FBI shutdown. No more online poker in the United States. And I'm like, what the hell is going on? No way. That's like taking away the stock market right now. So I said, you know what? I had to go back and work for the freaking man. And at the man, I was day trading. I am George Costanza. Look at me work. What's that stock doing? What's that stock? Oh, yeah, I'm doing good. Oh, man, my stock's moving. Oh, I'll be in that meeting in a minute. Oh, my God, I got to go into the meeting. I'm long 3,000 shares of freaking K-Nub. Damn, K-Nub. All right, you better come back. I better do good. I'm going. I'd come back from the meeting, dude, my whole account would be blown up or freaking up in the meeting. I'd be like, oh, my God, is it up? Oh my, if it drops, oh my God, I'm dead. Oh, if it's up, I'm huge. Oh, if it drops, I'm dead. Oh, if it's up, I'm huge. Oh, if it drops, I'm dead. If it's up, I'm huge. And I'm in the meeting going like this the whole freaking time, just thinking about my day trade and my stock that I'm in. Crazy, right? Love it. Said, dude, I'm done, dude. I'm done. I got a little system right here, dude. It's working. So you know what? It's working for this other guy too. His name's freaking Alan. I met him on like stock twits. And he's messaging me that he wants to learn everything that where the hell I'm getting all this information from. And I'm like, all right, you got it going on, guy. Put your money where your damn mouth is. Pay me freaking $2,000, bro. I'll show you everything. Get on Skype, dude. We'll do a little one-on-one. He's like, okay. I'm like, no way. No way did I just make $2,000 from this chump on stock twits. He's sitting right here. Alan, right there, that chump. See him? Still with me today. One of my close buddies, dude. My comrades. I'd take a bullet for him, dude. Right there. Goes to show you, bros. And then Bohan came, said, dude, your picks are sick. Can I be in your little group too? Said, cough up $2,000, puppy. He's like, okay, PayPal. I'm like, PayPal? Sick. Dude, why don't you pay me like freaking Skyping every day and I'll charge you like a $50. $50. Be in my group. And he is in my group. And he's been here ever since. Because the system works. And I'm a good guy, dude. I'm a good guy. No.
Yes. Yeah. Well, yes. Yes. Yeah, baby.
That's what I'm talking about. Boys and girls in the room. Oh, yeah. And yet people like Ross and Sykes, that's mind-blowing. Yeah, dude, Ross is freaking the boss, dude. Ross has got all kinds of shit going on, dude. Fucking crazy. Ross is spending money out the ass. Look what my friend just showed me. He goes, Ross is dude, buying emails through Gmail now, dude. I didn't even know you can do that. Yeah, it did, but I just don't want to spend money. Goddamn spending money on everything, dude. Guy's budget's $250,000 a month on advertising he spends. $250,000 he spends on advertising. Yeah, he's doing ads in Gmail now. Here's the ad I got. Gmail. right here. So you could see right here, the dude is buying ads right here. Warrior Trading, how to day trade, learn about risk management, stock selection, and the best entries to be front run by your moderator. You'll only learn that after you lose all your money. Oh, I mean, that's what the email does. That's what the email says. So yeah, that's about it. Dude, do you want to see something fucking crazy? I know everybody, dude. And you could say whatever you want about me. I don't care. Everybody does anyway. Dude, Patrick, you were drunk, dude, the other night. Patrick, you were drunk, dude. Right here, homie. Look, where are you? My day trading, this guy right here, I think is this one. Yeah, dude, look at he's all disheveled and he's slurring like a banshee, dude. Hold on, let me get off my... Like 8 in the morning, dude. He's all like frazzled. He's all banged up. Have a couple drinks. Come back stronger than ever. Oh, I fell off my chair. You know why he's all messed up? You know why he's all messed up? Because he shorted. Right here. To go lower. Look at the worry in his face. Dude, this thing, if he would have bet for it to go higher, because the trend is your friend, whatever's in motion stays in motion. He thought because of this drop that it was going to do it again. So he shorted right here. And if he would have went long, watch how far it went. It didn't stop here. It goes 5 times that high. Watch. Just staying away from what interesting. Boom, 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 straight to the... He's drunk. He never talks like this, dude, and acts like this. First off, all right, next one. I think there was another one. No. See, he's good. Look, he looks good there. He's all clean cut, shade. Look, see? I hate him. Guy's in so many ads. It's unbelievable. See, look. See, look at him now. Futures. Talking about what my plan is. Trading futures. Night and day. In this video, so if you want to learn more, stay tuned. See the difference in there? Isn't that night and day? I just watch him every day. I watch him all the time, so I could say it because I watch him all the time. I deserve to. I could say anything I want. Well, I said he was drunk. Big deal. If I was younger and lived out there in fucking the ocean and had a boat too, I'd be getting drunk all the time too. But I can't anymore because I got kids and I'm married, so I just smoke a lot. Ah, yes. So that's what we got going on. What do you got going on? 78.80 with the Heinz on MAR? Look at you, baby. Look at you. Add maximum position. Add. 65. Go. What are you doing? You ain't gonna make nothing with no 100. You gotta put 30 grand into that trade, baby. That's 300. 30 grand on 80? Yeah, dude, it's 300 shares, bro. Gotta buy more. Peloton. Heinz 36. Peloton, Heinz 36. Sequence to 190, 295, and 797. Just wait till it gets to 97. But don't marry it down. Tesla's up $10. Stocks don't move. Dude, that $10 a couple of weeks ago, you looked over here, you turned over there, and you look back over here, and it moved $10. That's how crazy it was, dude. Now it's not too crazy no more. Nope. Not too crazy no more. Dude, in the link below, I got this. Oh my gosh, dude. You're gonna learn my triple threat strategy. Gotta come on right here on my Twitter. Benzinga Dinga, man. Right here. What are you doing this Saturday, the 18th? I'm excited to be speaking at the Benzinga boot camp. Me and Ross, dude. See? Me and freaking Ross the boss, dude. There he is. I'm gonna tell you how he took a $500 account and turned it to $1 million. He did. He's got proof, and he can do it because he has a room of a couple of thousand people that as soon as he calls out a low cap gapper, that's his strategy, low stock gappers, the stock runs and he sells it. This guy, Gianni, I'm interested to see what he does and how. I'll pick everybody apart, dude, because you know why? I want them to pick me apart. I want them to say, dude, your Heinz system for day trading doesn't work, and I'm going to prove it. Go ahead. They're going to say your option strategy of selling puts is bullcrap, bad. Well, Buffett does it. That means he's bad. They're going to say your swing strategy of Ken Slim is garbage. Well, tell that to William O'Neill, editor of the IBD, David Ryan, Sed Moses, and all the guys that won the U.S. Investment Challenge record year after year and are disciples of the Ken Slim and William O'Neill. I'm bulletproof, dude. You ever see that scene where Superman fights Batman, Wonder Woman, and all them, and they can't beat Superman? He's a badass. Remember that scene? He's titanium, dude. He's the most powerful. And that's me up here. I'm Superman. You got this guy down here is Batman. Looks just like Ben Affleck. That's Batman down here. This guy's freaking Plastic Man right there. This guy's freaking Flyman. This guy's the Joker. You know, they're all coming after the Moch, but I like it. Saturday, dudes, you better register. Right there. There's the link. Check the damn thing out. Click it. Benzinga, Options Bootcamp. Holy shizzle dizzle. There you go. Guy right up there first. Michael Bolin, option strategist. I'm going to totally hear what he's got to say. Can't wait. I already know what you're going to say, Ross. This guy, Nick, dude, looks like a player. Gianni, interesting. Here's some shizzle dizzle. Ryan's director of customer service at Benzinga. I spoke to him. He handled me pretty well. I wonder what he's going to have to say. Felix, creator and founder of Options Geek, he's going to have some cray-cray, high IQ, mentality. Better put on your thinking cap, because he's going to throw out some terms that are straddles, condors, deltas, things that'll blow my mind. Michael Gast, institutional sales at IB. He's going to tell you how great IB is. Dude, IB this, and IB that, and IB you, and IB me. Good job. And then Ryan, he's the chief market strategist at a company called Dough. I bet they supply dough. Not pizza dough, but probably money dough. That's my guess, but I'll see when he speaks. And then Keith, tradesmith. Interesting. I bet he has to deal with scanning capabilities and trading ideas. William, of senior institutional of IB, also, he's going to back up everything that the other guy said. Michael. Don, Theo trade. Nice. Theo. I know a guy named Theo. Jonathan Benzinga, pro onboarding. He's going to bring you aboard. I wonder how he does that. We'll find out. Sean is an option strategist at All Star Charts. Dude, I bet we're going to learn all about charts. Technical analysis combined with volatility in the markets. Then me. I'm going to speak about gibberish. I'm going to go. That's what I'm going to do. I'll poop and fart nicely right behind John Najarian from CNBC. Dude, I'm going to be the bomb. Jeremy, JC, Mike Pisani, and Brian. Dude, I love it. Say hello to your sponsors, baby. Look. Dough, IB, and the Mojo. Mojo, baby. Dude, that's fucking loving it, dude. You know how many people registered for the event? 8,000. 8,000, baby. Ready to learn from the best? Book your place. Because you're in for a freaking treat. And a Benzinga discount like you never seen before. Nice. You got some Peloton for that, Heinz? Look at you, baby. Heinz and Peloton like I told you. Look at you go. Look at you go. Look at you go now. Heinz the Peloton like I told you. What about that UV48, Heinz? Low risk, play one way only right now. UV Doovy 47.90, same way like Peloton. Kicking ass. Kicking ass. What happened? Good afternoon. I joined. Mike, I happened in your room a couple weeks. First couple times, I thought the dudes was weird. Then I tuned in while driving and learned to love your rambling ways. I'm a ramble on. I'm going to have to get in. Ramble on, ramble on. Sing that song, ramble on. Love Led Zeppelin. Love Led Zeppelin. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Dude, I got a couple testimonials last night from MOJO University that are just incredible. How come you guys like my course so much, dude? Is it just because it's free? And I'm like, dude, if you don't write me something that's a lie, I'm not going to let you freaking go in it. So that's the deal. If you get the course, guys, you got to lie, or I'm not going to let you do it, okay? So these are the lies I got last night. There's some good lies, dude. Only lies. All from the 15th. All right. These are only from the 15th. All lies. So the first lie was right here. Last night at 12:38 in the morning, this guy lied and said, he said level 2. I've seen shares pop up. Maybe I'm wrong. It seems like market maker never bats, blah, blah, blah. I think only a handful of times I've seen shares listed on bats. Why are your thoughts on bats? Okay. I've been stopped out so many times. Now I understand why. Yesterday at 1:11 p.m. This course yesterday at 1:28 p.m. This course is blowing me away. So much information is new, and I haven't only been trading for many years. I began buying stock in 1987. Much of the data and information Mike presents is opening my mind to a whole different view. What an awakening. Thanks so much for sharing your knowledge and experience. I don't read these until the show, guys. New comment. I am in shock. So thankful for finding this course, trying to soak it all in. Last night at 5:49 p.m. I'm not much for this kind of stuff, but you are nailing it. A wealth of information. When you say priceless, you are right. Yesterday at 7:03 p.m. Again, letting us in on the real world that is out there and letting us behind the curtain. Every lesson keeps me saying, no way. I can't believe he sees this stuff and I was blind. Thanks, Mike, for all you're doing for us. I really appreciate it. Yesterday at 10:26 p.m. last night, great teaching. I love the 1 + 1 + 1 = 4 formula. It's the first thing I ever did. Yesterday at 11:55 p.m. last night. This course is awesome. I enjoyed the examples with level 2 and volume and when you question the class. Some of the screens are little small on the laptop. It would be cool if you showed the stock screenshots while corresponding level 2 screenshots. I'll have to watch this video a couple of times. Thank you. And those were the trades, the testimonials. Great job. I appreciate that so much. I also put in the MOJO University, guys, in the toolbox. So is the final exam that you guys need to take after MOJO University. So if you come in right here and you come into the toolbox, you'll see, let me open it for you. I'll show you what it looks like. So here's the curriculum. When you open the toolbox, you've got 3 things right here. You've got the daily tracking sheet. Right here is actually, the daily one has the video. Let me see if this is the new one. Yep, see, this is the tracking sheet right here. See it? That's the tracking sheet. I can delete one. This has watched minute 32, explain how I use the tracking sheet. So right there. So this is the video. This is the tracking sheet. This is the video for the tracking sheet. This is Dr. Elder's book, Day Trading for a Living, greatest book, and the MOJO University final exam right here in the toolbox. Everyone has that in their dashboard. Nice job on UV for the Heinz, dude. 48. And nice job, dude. 500. You're going to hold that baby nicely. Nicely. Yeah, that's me, baby. Michael Rich speaking on the boot camp. Let me give you a link. So if you're going to click it, it's my, let me give you my affiliate link, dude. Here. Right here. Hold on a second. I'll put it up into the room. Right there, boys. Look, that's my link. Nice Heinz, baby. Nice Heinz, Demo 75. I love you. I love you. Up 45. Sell right here at 09. Sell at 09. There you go. Mama, love you. Come on, touch 11. Don't let that baby go down now. Under freaking 5. Take what we can. Another 100 right here. No problem. It's hesitating. It's not popping. There you go. Love it. Hold 3. Love it. There's 15. Hold for a second. It's having a little trouble. Always can buy it back. Let's wait a second. Come on. There we go. Hold the last 100. You're great at 97. Use that for a box now as a gauge. Nice job on Peloton for the Heinz 36. It's 36.20 now for the Peloton. That Heinz I called. You guys like that information today. Great Mojo show, right? Totally. Joined last week and learning so much and so fast. I just want to say thanks so far, and I'm almost done with the course. Getting better every day. Now you know how to fill out the tracking sheet, and now you know how to take the test. Great job on UV, dude. Nice trade, baby. Nice trade. Getting a little Codex for Heinz right there. That's a good idea. A little Codex for Heinz for the new demo guy. Taking a look right there. Doing a sequence. You better have 1,000 shares. I'd save the next for 99 or even 13 even. Otherwise, don't buy no more. And your stop is 80. Rebuy it back under 80. Whatever price, and you'll have a positive price. EDNT did crap. SGNX wound it up doing nothing all day. I'm so glad the old me would be in this baby. I was in it up here. I sold it there. I traded it there, and I was out for the rest of the time, man. The old me would still be in it up here. Wasted my entire day on a piece of shit stock that never moved. I did that a total of a half a year, probably. A half of a whole year. You know what it's like? Let me tell you what it's like. Just a little bit. Because I'm older now. I know what months of the year I play good golf in. I know what days of the week I trade better in. I know you know more about yourself, your surroundings, because you've been doing it for so long. Okay? I've been trading for 25 years. All you new guys, you got a mountain to climb, man. Don't look at my trade and don't look at me. Don't look at anybody else. Just follow the process clip by clip. It compounds up beautifully. Just do the Heinz. Everything else is for fun. You can't bank a business on anything but Heinz, dude. You can't leave your current job. You can't do anything unless you got that Heinz day trading system and you're making money on it every time. 98 on Codex, dude. Beautiful. Look at you. Look at you, Heinz and Codex right here. This is going to be a beauty. Look at you go. 91, 97, 90, 96, 97. Yeah. Are you watching my show right now on YouTube? And hear me in the room and watching my screen? Rocky? Why would you want me to? What are you doing? I don't help, dude, during my Mojo show and stuff. Why would I take out of my Mojo show and help you with your demo? Just wait, dude. It's like I told you, it's like the missus, dude. No matter what I'm doing or how important it is, your shit comes first, dude. And I'll bother you no matter what it is. Because my shit, I can do whatever I want. Oh my God, I got a message. They're sucking people out of EDNT right here, auto closing you for the day because it's at the end of the day. This is the auto close pop up at the end of the day. Stock will do nothing here and nothing later. All right, here goes the Codex Hines. 1303, 1305. Let it go a little bit. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go to 11. Let it go. Hold, 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 hold. It shot right past 7. Hold. Sell a quarter at 1307. Put ask in. 1303. Next time it touches 7, you'll get out a part of it and hold the rest. There it goes. 6. Here it goes. Get ready. 5. Get ready. There it goes. 8. Just took you all out. See that? Hold the rest. Goes 11. Holding to 19 now. Holding to put an ask out at 19. And get ready to cancel all pending orders if you need to. Nice 600 left at Hines 13. You only got 100 left. Should have had a little bit more. Like this guy has 600 left. Oh, let me pull this over a little bit. Like you got 600 left, bro. At 13. The guy at 12.99 should have that 600 left too. See what I'm saying? 600, sell 100. 13, 10, 11, 12. 75, sell 100. You didn't listen. You missed it. Too bad. He's going to let this turn to a loss. He's going to lose that whole profit. He's got 500 left. 400. There you go. He sold it. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Hold now. Thank you for selling 100. If it dips, we're going to buy some back. You got 13 minutes. No reason to move off the well right here. Oh, shouldn't have sold it. Told you to hold it. Good job, 75. Nice listening. Nice listening. Nice job. Nice trading. Nice trading. Nice job. Why did I get off earlier? That's cap or crap? Why did I get off earlier? Because why should I trade for you blue-blooded on YouTube when I have 200 people in my chat room that pay a subscription each month for my ultimate attention and the real-time screen share? This is just the Mojo show, bro. You don't get pissed at Jim Cramer, do you, on TV? Or Howard Stern? Say, dude, you got off the show, Jim. What the fuck? Don't you stay on all day long, dude? 24 hours a day? Get your balls off on TV? Come on now, Jim. What the hell you doing? I ain't Jim Cramer, bro. I like him, though. Not Howard Stern either. Kind of like him, too. 21-22, boys. Here we go, mamas. Told you. Nice Hines 13. Sell that rest of it. You're the bust. Just when I was thinking you should sell it there at 22, you did, bro. You're the best, man. Nice work. You didn't hit the ultimate bottom because you got a 13 print, and you didn't hit the ultimate top. But you did really spanking good. Next time you're going to have freaking more shares. It's the way to trade right there. See that, boys? See that? Had them demos. Sold it at 21. Beautiful job. Nice trade. 384. Good job there on that, Mr. Manuel. See that, guys? Told you. It's how you trade with the Mojo, man. Okay, cool. Here. Of course everyone's behind. Of course. Did anybody get their that tax thing, man? I mean, the help. Anybody get a check from Trump put in their account? Anybody get any money? My daughter did. She got 12 hundo, man. My daughter got 1200. No, my daughter did $1,200, man.
Nailed it. Yeah, they nailed it. Oh, nailed it.
Yo, dudes, you know what I'm thinking? Tomorrow may be Groupon's day, dude. Look, tomorrow may be the freaking dollar, dude. I've been patient as shit. Awesome, dude. Look at that. I think it's going to $1 tomorrow, bro. I think so, bro. Dude, Teva making an end of the day run right here in the last 9 minutes. Teva making an end of the day run. It's going to be totally on the play for tomorrow with the hydroxychloroquine and the Plaquenil. Remember when I picked that? It's at freaking $6.95, dude. Remember that? Better ask somebody. Got to look at my swings, boys. Right now, got to look at the swings real quick right before the close in case I need to close something. Crony Schmagoni right now, 525. The Dow's up 10 pointos at 23,514. Mini Hines. S&P's 2797 heading into Hines 28. It already did it, 2806. And the NASDAQ 85 mini did it at 8560. Crone 525.79, been as high as 99. CGC at 1380 is 1443, been as high as 1524. Zynga at 645 is 777, been as high as 780. Glue Mobile at 625, 738, been as high as 745. Signal down 2 beans, 6%. AAL 1450 at 1110, down 23, been as high as 1203. Clorox 165, been as 197, almost Heinz in 200. Serve 28, finally profitable, 2806, been to 2832. Tilray at 550 is 626, been as high as 658. GE at 695 is down at 625 now, boys. We're going to have to wait one more day to resell that covered call. Anything on the downside down here? All the rails and these things are down. 1.5, 3.5. USA truck. All these truckers are doing bad, except YRCW, except rail, except WPRT. KIQ is green. Gotta love these little babies. Next week may be their week. This one's down. Nebriva, red. Up 40% on Ramble, 16% on WTRH. We sold this one today. Nope. ODP, Office Depot looking hot at $1.80. And that's it, boys. 1033 now on Teva. Went up another couple pennies on Teva. Nice job on Teva. SGNX failed like a complete misery. Told you. Groupon's looking hot tomorrow. No income last year. What does that say? No income last year. It was a tad high. Just in advance of 2. I'll get through. Gonna have fun. Okay. No check for us. I make too much. Yeah. My kid got one. Kid's got one. Mistook the exam, missed a few. I wanted to ask you if it's possible to change my name to Pro Trader Trend. Yep. Pro Trader Lane, where are you? When you get in the room. You're not in the room, I can't change you. But when you get in the room, I can. Pro Trader Lane. Nope, you're not in there. Wait. Here you are. Pro Trader Trend. Better name for you. Good. Done. You're all set, but you're not in the room. You're not online. You're not in the room. You're offline. Oh, now you're in the room. Switched. No, you are offline. I switched it. Your trend. There you are offline. You're offline. I changed your name. Mark? Who's Mark? Mark Cuban? Yeah, I know Mark. I like Mark. I like Mark Cuban. I spoke about him on my show the other day. Mr. Flack-a-chacker. Flack and all. Flack and all. Crazy, huh? Crazy. All right, guys. End of the day. Oh, TRNX, biggest piece of shit in the whole world. Biggest piece of crap stock ever. Ever, TRNX. Go look at all the lawsuits that they got and they've had. When the stock gets, it's at 24 cents. When it gets to 99, let me know. Biggest piece of shit. Codex 1360 ripping, guys. How come you're not in it anymore? How come you're not in it anymore? It's the only one that I called. Only called one stock. That's it. Just one. Codex. That's it. For the close. Yeah, I got this guy in my room. He knows Mark Cuban. How much is Mark? He's worth a couple. I think he's worth a couple billion. He's on Shark Tank. He's on Shark Tank, dude. He's worth a couple billion, yeah. Yeah. Mavericks. Yeah, he owns the Mavericks. Yeah. It's 1370. And Teva's doing good too. Guys, I'm doing the MOJO show, bro. I'm doing the MOJO show, bro. You got to leave me alone. You can't do this anymore. I'm doing the MOJO show. Do you understand? You understand? Trade a stock surfer? Sure, but not during the MOJO show. I'm doing the MOJO show, okay? Okay, thank you. 2 minutes left to the close of the market, and they need me to do customer service bullshit instead of focusing on the trade and my trading into the close. It's rude. It really is rude. It's like the wife relationship. Whatever I got going on, I don't care what you're doing. I'm going to message you and disrupt your shitting situation. All the time. All right, here we go. Last minute. Can you get the dog away from my door? Get the dog away from my door. He's crying. Thank you. Last thing I want to do is get stuck in a trade in the last 15 seconds. I'm getting out of my positions right now. Sold. Flat, guys. So thank you very much for watching the Mojo Day Trading Show, how we trade, how I handle the room. It's pretty crazy, I know. I'm a rambler, bambler, but dude, someone's got to do it, right? Someone's got to take control and do it. That's what I like doing. Dude, if someone's going to be the captain of the team, dude, and call the team, you better put me up there. I want to be a captain, dude. I don't want to be picked. I'm going to pick the team. You can have first. I get next two. You did it like that when you were younger, right? Automatically, right? If I get first pick, I'm taking the best player. You can get the next two players. And then we go 1 for 1. That's what happens. I pick the best team. Shakalaka boom boom. Peace. Keep it profitable. I'll see you in the morning. It will sure be exciting. Codex is 1388. There is surely something going on. I made a lot of money on that stock, dude. Hope you guys did too, dudes. I'm going to hold some overnight. Marabuzu close going on Codex. Something's going on with the Codex. Pick that baby at 90 cents in the swing. I'll go sleep like a baby on that. Peace, guys. See you in the morning. Thank you very much for watching the Mojo Show. When I'm done, you'll see 2 other videos popping up right there above my head, guys. Watch those. This morning show, the other show, verify that what I'm doing is spot on correct and I'm not making it up for the first time. It's a repetition is the key to mastery. Follow me on social media and subscribe and have a wonderful night's sleep. Peace! Pro Trader Mike signing off. Later.